Hello and welcome to Leo English Hub Lecture 20, and today we are subsequently going to go through the vocabulary that we extracted from our earlier lecture of my daily routine. So guys, vocabulary and the pronunciations are also equally important. So here we have the first set of vocabulary that we have extracted from our earlier lecture, and the earlier lecture was based on my daily routine. Before we move ahead, please subscribe our channel. It will support us and it will also help you, enable you to access all the important updates from every day to day. So here we have the first set of vocabulary on your screen, guys, and you can check them. You can have a note of it. You can note them down in your notebook, your practice book, and try to use these sentences. It is not the case that this vocabulary is important only for one single topic, but it can be utilized in n number of topics or whatever sentences we speak in our routine life. You can use them. We have three sets of vocabulary in today's session, and we have the second set of vocabulary. You can note them down. I'm going a little bit faster, but if you want to pause the video, you can obviously pause, press the pause button, and have you can note down these vocabulary. Okay, so vocabulary is nothing but the knowledge of words that you can use while speaking, writing. Okay, so here we have more vocabulary, more words, and these words have been extracted from our earlier lecture of my daily routine. So they are really very helpful. If you have not understood any of them, we have the synonyms or meaning of them in English itself, so it is easier for you to understand these vocabularies as well, guys. Okay, let's move ahead on the third screen, and we have more vocabularies on that as well. Parents, me, about, question, inquire, relax, overseas, household. All these words were used in our previous lecture, and we use them while writing and speaking the short note of my daily routine. So here we have all the vocabulary that we utilized, and you can further utilize these words in upcoming sessions while writing, while practicing on your own. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you have noted down all these words, and you will try to, I hope you would try to use them on daily basis. So before we conclude today, I request again you to subscribe our channel for more updates, for continuous information flow. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us today.